Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, show you how to set up and a review on these Govee smart plugs. So this is a 2-pack. You get 2 of them in here. They do have an on-off button that you can turn them on off manually, but we're also going to connect this to the Wi-Fi. You do have to get the Govee app in order to connect to your smartphone, and you are going to have to turn on Bluetooth. So use your phone, it's going to talk to Bluetooth to the smart plug, then the smart plug will be connected to your house Wi-Fi. It only works on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now here's some of the specs: 120 volts, 10 amps max, 60 hertz, 1200 watts. Okay, let's measure it real quick. It sticks out from the wall about 1.25 inches, and it's a circle that's about 1 7/8 inches, almost 2 inches. Okay, so let's plug it into a wall outlet. Okay, so when you first plug it in, this light is going to tell us some different things. Now on the Govee app, you're going to have to log in and hit the plus button right there in the top hand right hand corner. Now it's going to scan for nearby devices. It did find the smart plug for me automatically. Okay, I hit the add button. Now it's going to ask me to press this button. And the blue light is flashing. All right, it found it and it says done. I could have changed the name right there. Now I got to give it my Wi-Fi password. Pick which Wi-Fi you want it to connect to. Again, 2.4 gigahertz only. Okay, now that the Wi-Fi connection is successful, that light is on steady blue. I can manually turn the light on and off with the switch, but I can also use my smart devices, my Amazon smart speaker. I can connect it to it and tell it to turn it on and off. And I can also use the Govee app and I can put it on a schedule. But when you turn it off, it does go blank, the light. Now let's explain that light. Now it does say keep it within 100 feet of your Wi-Fi router. Now a solid blue light means power is on and you're connected. So basically the power is going through the receptacle and the Wi-Fi is connected. No light, power off, and Wi-Fi is still connected. So that's what we saw. A solid purple, you've got the power on, but Wi-Fi is disconnected. A solid red, power is off and Wi-Fi is disconnected. Flashing blue means it's connecting. It's like in a setup mode. It's ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now again, this switch is going to stop the electricity from flowing to the light. But when I press it, then it lets the electricity flow to the bulb or whatever I have. I can plug an appliance into here as long as it doesn't overpower it. I can plug different things into it. But in the Govee app, I can also power it on and off. See? And I can set up timers, auto on and off at different times of the day. I can have it come on for just a certain amount of time. Let's go into the settings. I can change the name of it, which changing the name of it will be very important when you want to connect it to one of these devices. That way when you walk into the room, all you have to do is say, turn this whatever on, and it's going to go by that name right there. So changing that name is very simple. Just change it right there and hit done. Firmware, hardware, product. So this is simply a smart plug. It doesn't do any kind of monitoring. You can turn it on and off remotely, use the switch. Again, it doesn't show you any kind of wattage on the smart device or anything. So it's simply just an on-off switch. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.